Today we're going to clear paper scraps inside the drum. On your Brother HL-L2395DW. Before working on your Brother machine, please allow it to run for 10 minutes to allow the fan to cool the internal parts. Open the front cover. Remove the drum and toner assembly and place it onto clean flat surface. Placing scrap paper under your drum and toner is recommended. Next, remove the toner cartridge from the drum unit by pressing the green lock lever. Carefully examine the drum for obstructions, such as labels, tape, or ripped paper. Remove any obstructions found. Be careful not to touch the drum rollers during this process, as this can cause print quality problems. Then, reinstall the toner cartridge into the drum unit. Listen for the cartridge to lock into place. Next, reinstall the drum and toner assembly into the machine and close the front cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.